Good morning, everybody. Oh, Friday, my goodness. And there it goes. Been a busy week for me. I've been getting up at 5, doing my run. I've been getting ready for the show. Then I've been having a meeting every day from 7, which was only supposed to be till 7:30, and sometimes it goes to 8, like it did today. And then I'm panicked to get everything together, but I think I did it. Anyway, I hope you all are having a wonderful week. I have all the added benefits this week of doing taxes that I have to submit to my CPA today. So amid everything else, that's an added joy, right? Yes, I think the government should pay us. Whoops, I don't want to do that. Hang on. I think the government should pay us to get somebody to do the work so they can tax us. Anyway, today is September 3rd, and I acquiesced to the $407,000 median price of single-family homes. It is what it is. It went up only $2,000, let's say that. We have 27 days of available inventory. We listed 73 homes yesterday. 59 of them were single family. We put 56 under contract and closed 67. So it looks like we're still not listing as much as we're selling. And we'll see how September goes. We'll see how this weekend goes. Weekends sometimes like this bring tons of people to Las Vegas. And guess where a lot of them spend their time? Going out to look to see if maybe Vegas is a place they want to live. So that's why we see a surge after holidays sometimes in the number of sales, because people come back here from a holiday, they love it here, and they buy here. So always keep your phone on the holidays and do your social media boosting, do your emails, do your texts, all those things that you should be doing. So getting back here to the stats for a minute, we only listed 16 homes yesterday under 400,000. Which gives us a total of 710. And we were up I think we were up as high as 1,056, almost one half of the available single family homes were under 400,000. We haven't seen that for quite a while. And now it's down to 1/3 of those homes. So, but the good news is we listed 59 new single family homes, of which 16 were were new listings under 400,000. So it's not churning as good as it was. So we'll see what happens with that. What else is interesting here? Being the first of the month, let's see. Well, I think the 407 is the biggest story of the day, but let me put this up here and show you what's going on here. So the median versus the average, and my phone rings the same time every day. Marketeers. Anyway, the average in January was 428, and it went up to 507 in July, and now it's back down. It went down to 483 in August, which Jimmy and I talked about yesterday. So now, when you look at the median has just continued to climb, and it's now at August, it was 407. So the tail of that tape is in, and the average though was 483. So I click, when I do these stats, I click on single family homes. I click on 0101 to 0808 or 0805, excuse me, so that everything is always the same. That's what I don't like about statistics, is people don't tell you what they used as the criteria to develop them, but I like to tell you.